Welcome back, everyone. Today we are exploring a beautiful, mindful technique, drawn thread embroidery. We are using it to create a unique, delicate embellishment along the sleeve of a garment. To begin, I've marked two small dots exactly 1 centimeter apart. This will define the width of our decorative band. For this project, I'm working with a lovely, breathable linen fabric in a warm beige tone, which I've already secured snugly in my wooden hoop. Linen is truly the ideal canvas for drawn thread work, as its distinct, even weave structure allows the threads to be pulled away cleanly without warping the fabric. Using a sharp needle, I gently lift and snip the top and bottom boundary threads and then slowly slide them out. I'm removing a segment about 8 inches long, but the wonderful thing about this technique is its versatility. You can extend this border as long as your design requires. Before we clear the space completely, we must secure the open edges to prevent any fraying. I'm using a matching beige embroidery floss. I like to separate a single strand, double it over, and thread it through my needle. First, we anchor both ends of our 1 centimeter gap with neat, closely spaced blanket stitches. I start anchoring the raw edge. For each stitch, guide your needle down through the fabric and bring the point out directly over your working thread, creating a small, secure loop. Space your stitches close together, keeping your tension smooth and consistent. Once both ends are completely secure, we can safely snip and pull away the horizontal threads within the border. With our blanket stitches resting firmly on both ends, our fabric is now safe and secure. Using fine, sharp embroidery scissors, carefully slide the blade right into the center of our 1 centimeter gap. Gently snip the horizontal threads. Now, taking your embroidery needle, we begin to slide these horizontal threads out, one by one. See how beautifully it transforms? We are left with a neat window of delicate vertical threads. Now, to stabilize the open grid, we'll use a classic hemstitch, grouping 3 vertical threads together at a time. Working carefully from left to right, we secure the top line. As you pull the thread gently, not too tight, watch how those 3 loose strands draw together into a perfect little pillar. There is a beautiful, quiet mindfulness to this repetition. Take your time, grouping 3 threads at a time, moving steadily along the horizon of your fabric. Once we reach the very end of this top row, we guide our needle cleanly to the back of the fabric. We anchor it securely by weaving it through the dense stitches on the reverse side, ensuring our hard work stays locked in place. Then we simply rotate the hoop to repeat the exact same hemstitch along the bottom edge. It pairs beautifully with natural medium weight fabrics like linen, cotton lawn, or even fine wool crepe, where the weave can be easily counted. Now all 4 sides of our window are neatly bound, and our vertical threads are perfectly gathered in pairs of 3. Next, let's bring a little more depth and definition to the borders. I've switched to a blunt tapestry needle so it glides smoothly without piercing the fabric fibers. Before you pull it through, take the thread and wrap it completely around the needle in a clockwise direction. Pull it gently and see how it creates a beautifully raised, sculpted knot that sits proudly on the fabric. By alternating the direction of our wraps, clockwise then counterclockwise, we are creating a gorgeous undulating wave effect. Take your time with this rhythm, letting your hands find a gentle pace. Watch how the light catches the alternating twists, transforming a simple border into something truly exquisite. This extra layer acts like a beautiful frame, adding a rich dimensional texture to the top and bottom lines. When your thread runs short, don't worry. Simply pass your needle to the back, weave it gently through the existing stitches to secure it, and snip. Thread your needle anew, bring it up right where you left off, and smoothly continue your rhythm. Taking these step-by-step moments allows you to breathe and enjoy the process. Now let's decorate the center. For this, I am introducing a soft, light beige floss, and I'm using 4 strands. Let's turn the hoop vertically to work the center pattern comfortably. Starting from the top, we will weave a gentle feather stitch right down the middle of our open window. By gathering 2 groups of threads at a time, this simple rhythm completely transforms the empty space. Watch how the threads gently pull together, blooming into an exquisite lace-like lattice. The pattern becomes so graceful, mirroring the quiet beauty found in nature. Once we reach the bottom, we guide the needle to the back and secure it one last time. Our beautiful drawn thread embellishment is complete. This timeless technique can be adapted in so many lovely ways, stitched vertically down a sleeve or cuff, or framing the bodice of a delicate linen blouse. Thank you so much for spending this quiet, creative time with me. Choose your favorite colors, take your time, and enjoy every single stitch. See you in the next tutorial.